And today in Nigeria, we, the movement of Biafrans in Nigeria, have come to stand out to propagate the self-determination struggle of the Biafran people through the legal and political means. We believe that even without pulling out of Nigeria, yet as we have not yet done, and until we are able to complete the process of the total self-determination of the indigenous people of indigenous people of Biafra from the state of Nigeria, we can continue to draw up so many programs, that make us a people, that defend our people, that protect our people from the state of Nigeria. Today in the Nigerian prisons, you find so many Biafrans who are detained for daring to speak out in the process of self-determination. Many speak out in different ways. There are groups that believe in rallies. They walk the streets with flags.